Hey folks, it's Mark, Dispersed Camper Man, and I am happy to be back in the Ouachita National Forest. I am off of dispersed camping off the Forest Service Road 179, and it's kind of close to Lake Sylvia, if you're familiar with that's at. This is a little place right here I found off the side of the road right here. Take a look. It's a little compact little space right here. But I did be able to squeeze in there. And it's right off the road here of 179. And it's got a nice little fire pit right there too. I just got here this evening. Set up camp. What's pretty cool about this spot is there's like a little wildlife pond down here on this spot. Let's go down here and take a look at it. That's why people have been throwing trash out. I guess I'm gonna pick that trash up before I leave. Yeah, there it is. I want to say the Corps of Engineers or the Forest Department makes these with the wildlife. Because sometimes we do go through a drought and all the creeks dry up. I'll head back up to the camper. There's no path down to that pond from the back of your camper. You just gotta make your own trail, I guess. Maybe also even pick up some trash on the way. I know one thing, all these parks being closed, I'm finding a lot more people out here dispersed camping. I remember coming out here and I wouldn't see anybody. Now I'm seeing a lot more people. What the heck is that? Looks like somebody had a flat. Somebody had a flat, decided to use it, and chucking out in the woods and they're done. I have a feeling all these new people who can't camp in a campground, they're gonna be out here dispersed camping. Woo! Gonna be here dispersed camping and probably gonna be trying to ruin it for everybody, leaving their trash around. So if you do use any of these sites, there's always gonna be yahoos out there who trash them. And if you come to a site that's trash, pick it up a little bit. Maybe it'll keep them from shutting the place down. Somebody likes natural light beer. Oh, Miller. I don't know if you can tell it or not, but that's like downhill. Yeah, other than those cans down there, this place is actually pretty clean. Yeah folks, not too bad of a campsite. The main reason why I picked this was so close to a trailhead up here that I'm wanting to do a hike on. It's a Wildcat Mountain Trail Head, and right up the road here off of road 179, right up the road here, probably right around that bend right there, there's a Wildcat Mountain Trailhead I'm going to go to. I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this up tomorrow and we'll go check out that Wildcat Trailhead Mountain trail over there tomorrow. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hey folks, like I said yesterday, I'm in the Ouachita National Forest, and I am camped off of Forest Service Road 132, and right up the road is Forest Road 179. It has a Wildcat Mountain Trail Head. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going up there doing some hiking up there. The Wildcat Mountain Trail Head trail is mainly for mountain bikers and hikers, and when I did some research online about it, there was a map on there showing the trail. It's about an 8-mile trail with a total of 2 loops. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today, and thanks for watching. Yeah folks, from my campsite, it's a real short hike. So here's the Wildcat Mountain Trail Head. Here, take a look. And from what I'm reading online, this isn't a well-maintained trail. The last time it was maintained or cleaned up was back in 2015. You can tell. Let's see. Yeah, Wildcat Mountain Bike Trail. So you can mountain bike and you can hike. No horseback or no ATVs. And here's the start of it. And on the, I was researching online, I found a map of this trail system, and it's about 8 miles long total with 2 loops, with a total of 8 miles. Hopefully this trail don't get too bad, we have to turn around. Before leaving camp, I did put some tick dope on me. So yeah. Yeah, you can tell this Wildcat Mountain Trail has been neglected. Like I said earlier, the last time they cleaned this place up was 2015. That's 5 years ago. You can tell the tree limbs are growing over the trail. And I would not recommend bringing the bike down through here. Yeah, folks, I kind of like this little hike right here. And look what I just found. Looks like I found a little creek right here. This could be pretty cool. Oh yeah. I love finding creeks. Take a look at this. Yeah, folks, I made it back to the Wildcat Mountain Trail Head. That's a pretty nice little hike. Even though bobcat lookout, I couldn't find it. It's probably overgrown. I didn't see it. And this trail is very unkept. Like I said earlier, it's last time it was cleaned up was 2015, according to my search. I'm going to leave the map to this trail in the bottom of the video description if you want to take a look at it. And yeah, if you do decide to do this during the summer or spring, I did put some what I call tick dope on me. I think it was Repel, and I probably picked about 20 ticks off of me. Every time I go through some weeds, I look down at my pants, and there's normally ticks on it. But they weren't no seed ticks, they were the big ticks, so it was easy to pick off. And that repel tick dope did work, help a little bit, because some of the tick was just falling off my leg. It was pretty cool, off my pants. Yeah, I definitely would check this trail out, and you probably have it to yourself, because I don't think this Wildcat Mountain Trail is very popular, or nobody knows about it. I didn't see anybody on the trail when I was on it, which is a plus. And if you do like streams and creeks, I've definitely checked this trail out. Yeah, folks, I'm about to head back to camp. And like I said, I'm camped right down the road right here. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, folks, this has been an excellent camp spot right here. Really nice. It is kind of on the road, but all this trees and stuff kind of hides you a little bit until they run up on you. But other than that, it's been a pretty good campsite. Trash wasn't too bad. It actually wasn't bad at all. Take a look. I just picked up probably about 10 cans. I did find these. I think these are maybe tire sprockets. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, that's pretty much all I found. Yeah, if you like dispersed camping, this is a pretty good spot. Like I said, it's right down the road, walking distance. 2 minutes walking down the road is that Wildcat Mountain Trail Head. The trailhead is a little bit overgrown, but other than that, it's a pretty good little hike right there. I do highly recommend that you do put some repel off, or some type of tick repellent, because I did pull off several ticks of me on my jeans. I saturated my jeans with that repel tick stuff, and I didn't get any ticks biting me or anything. But every once in a while on that trail, when I walk through grass or something, I'd look down my pants and flick out the ticks off of me. Yeah, other than that, yeah, pretty good campsite. Yeah, folks, hey, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm about to head out. If you can, hit that subscribe button, like button, and leave a comment. And what really helps out if you share my videos. Hey guys, thanks for watching.